Samsung is revolutionizing a smartphone experience with the One UI 7 update, an evolution that brings more than just aesthetic improvements. It's a game-changing leap in user experience. Imagine buttery smooth animations, a redesigned lock screen, and an interface so refined it feels like a whole new device. Early hands-on previews are already generating a buzz, and for good reason. Samsung has reimagined the Quick Panel, making it more accessible than ever. Now you can pull it down directly from the lock screen to access an elegantly modern media player and seamless UI components. It's a whole new level of convenience. One of the standout features is the revolutionary lock screen shortcuts. Imagine a pill-shaped icon that morphs into a functional widget card with just a tap. It's not only practical but visually captivating. The circular overlay design with subtle blur effects adds a futuristic aesthetic that makes every interaction feel premium. This isn't just about looking good, it's about effortless functionality. For instance, the new dynamic battery icon provides intuitive power management at a glance, and the status bar is sleeker, fitting seamlessly into the refined design. The One UI 7 update kicks off its beta program on December 5, beginning with Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra users in Germany. After that, it will roll out to major markets including Korea, the United States, India, and the UK. Beta slots are limited, so make sure you're ready to jump in when registration opens on your Samsung Members app. Missing out could mean waiting weeks for another chance. Samsung has split the notification panel into two distinct sections, one for notifications and another for quick toggles. This organized layout keeps everything clean and straightforward. And photographers, rejoice! The camera UI has been overhauled, placing all settings within thumb reach at the bottom of the app. No more fumbling around when you're trying to capture the perfect shot. Expandable quick camera settings make on-the-fly adjustments effortless and efficient, taking mobile photography to the next level. What's truly groundbreaking is Samsung's embrace of advanced AI. One UI 7 isn't just an interface, it's an intelligent assistant. Samsung has supercharged Bixby with generative AI, making it capable of anticipating your needs and offering personalized suggestions. This kind of integration could redefine productivity and convenience on a smartphone. Imagine Bixby predicting your next move and adjusting your settings accordingly. That's the future Samsung is aiming for. However, the design isn't without controversy. Rumors suggest that Samsung has drawn inspiration from iOS, Xiaomi's Hyper UI, and even Mizu's Fly Me OS. The rounded icons and rainbow-style gallery thumbnails evoke comparisons to Apple's aesthetics. Some users love the new look, while others wish Samsung had retained its distinct style. What do you think? Is this a bold move forward or a step too close to the competition? And we're not done yet. The update introduces a dynamic app drawer with the search bar repositioned at the bottom, making it more accessible. Lock screen widgets are now highly customizable, offering an enhanced visual appeal and more functionality. December 16 is when the second beta firmware is expected, bringing crucial bug fixes, added features, and further refinements. Miss the initial beta? Don't worry, Samsung usually releases additional slots, so stay alert. Is One UI 7 the best update Samsung has ever launched? With innovative features, a sleek design overhaul, and advanced AI integration, it's definitely in the running. This update caters to everyone, from tech enthusiasts to casual users, by offering something unique and game-changing. Make sure your Galaxy S24 series device is prepped for the beta by keeping your Samsung Members app updated and regularly checking for the beta banner. Missing out on this experience would be a regret no tech lover wants. What are your thoughts on One UI 7? Are you thrilled about the changes, or do you have reservations? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives, exclusive previews, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.